I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need an active SIM and a data plan first. Insert the SIM and confirm service in your carrier app or via SMS. Once done, open Settings Network and Internet and toggle Mobile Data on. This is the essential first step to route traffic over cellular. Make sure Wi-Fi is off so testing uses the mobile link. Also glance at Data Saver and App Background Data Permissions now, because those settings commonly block network access, even when mobile data is enabled. If mobile data still fails, you must configure APN settings correctly. These tell your phone how to reach the carrier network. You'll find APN under Mobile Network Advanced. Create a new APN or edit the one supplied by the carrier and enter values like APN, MMSC, MCC, MNC, and APN type. Once saved, select that APN and restart the radio by toggling airplane mode briefly. Also set the preferred network type to 4G or 5G to match your plan. To finish, restart your phone and test connectivity by loading a web page or streaming a short video to confirm speed and stability. If it still fails, reset network settings from System Reset Options. This wipes saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and APNs, but often fixes misconfigurations. Make sure you have APN values backed up before you reset. If problems persist, contact your carrier, provide the device IMEI and APN settings you used, and ask them to push provisioning or verify account data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.